Vipers are yet another type of snake, which is widespread and a common poisonous group, known for their long fangs and venomous bite. Vipers include true vipers, bush vipers, rattlesnakes, pit vipers, and night adders. Let's know more about them. Family Viperidae. The name viper is derived from the Latin word vipera, meaning viper, possibly from vivus meaning living and parere meaning to beget, referring to the trait viviparity, meaning giving live birth. Snakes are among the most recently evolved of the main reptile lineage alive today. Their evolutionary history remains somewhat murky. Their delicate skeletons do not preserve well, and as a result, few fossil remains of ancient snakes have been recovered. The earliest known snake is Laparantophis defens, which is estimated to have lived about 130 million years ago during the early Cretaceous. According to the Integrated Taxonomic Information System, there are more than 200 species of viper. More than 200 species of venomous snake belong to two groups, pit vipers and Old World vipers, which are considered separate families by some authorities. They are found all over the world, with the exceptions of Antarctica, Australia, New Zealand, Madagascar, north of Arctic Circle, and island clusters such as Hawaii. Vipers' habitats vary across their nearly worldwide range. They live in mountains, rainforests, fields, and deserts. The size of the vipers range from small as 10 inches to largest 10 feet. Vipers range widely in size, are generally stocky with short tails. The head shape is due to the placement of their large venom glands in the mouth. Additionally, most vipers keeled scales, vertically elliptical pupils, and coloring and patterns that serve as camouflage. Vipers are known for their extreme fangs, which are long, hollow, hinged and rotatable. Their mouth can open nearly 180 degrees, so the ability to rotate their fangs within that space is an advantage. Vipers can extend their fangs and bite without injecting venom. This is known as a dry bite and is common in human snake bites. A viper's venom is mostly hemotoxic, meaning that it acts on the blood, unlike the venom of elapid species, which is neurotoxic and affects the nervous system. In addition to killing prey and injuring predators, it also functions as anticoagulant. Viper venom helps vipers digest their food. Since they swallow their prey whole, digesting it is a big job, not helped by vipers' generally inefficient digestive systems. The venom breaks down lipids, acids, and proteins in the prey during the digestive process. Pit vipers have specialized sensor organs near the nostrils, called heat-sensing pits. The location of this organ is unique to pit vipers. These pits have the ability to detect thermal radiation emitted by warm-blooded animals, helping them better understand their environment. Vipers eat a variety of food depending on the size of the snake. Prey includes some mammals, birds, lizards, and eggs, according to Savitsky. When their prey is dead, they swallow it whole. Vipers engage in a hunting activity called prey relocation. That once they have identified their prey, they strike and inject venom. They then immediately release the prey so that it cannot bite back. The bitten prey wanders off, dies, and the viper uses its sense of smell to find it. Large mammals and birds. Many young vipers, or simply smaller individuals, are preyed upon by other carnivores. Birds of prey and mongooses are common threats. Sometimes herons and storks also prey upon vipers. Habitat destruction, purposeful killing, capture of the exotic pet trade, and pollution or climate change impacting their prey population. Each species faces different dangers from human activity. Some directly face extinction, while others have stable populations. Compared to many other snakes, vipers often appear rather sluggish. Generally, vipers are nocturnal. They often appear sluggish compared to other snakes. This is because many vipers rely on their camouflage for protection rather than their ability to move quickly. They are more inclined to blend in with the surrounding brush, rock, or ground cover when being approached by a predator than to slither away. Each species has its own unique behavior. Some spend most of the day foraging for food or basking in the sun, while others are most active at dusk and dawn or during the night. Reproductive behaviors and rates vary drastically based on the species. Most are ovoviviparous. The eggs are retained inside the mother's body and the young emerge living. However, a few lay eggs in nests. Average litter size is 5 to 50 at a time. Average lifespan is 10 years or more and varies with the species. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, 57 species of viper are considered near threatened, conservation dependent, vulnerable, endangered or critically endangered, extinct or extinct in the wild. Some of the rarest vipers are the golden lancehead, which is found only on Santa Catalina Island in the Gulf of California in Mexico. According to IUCN, the snake has declined principally due to cover collecting, so we need to control our human activities in order to maintain their population.